A northern air of anger pummeled down and forced a fractured pollen in our lungs, caught us before we could draw a breath, wore our eardrums woolen, snagged the sound of voice, the fup of lips and tooth-touched tongue. So easy to spot chemists at the bar. We're all on Sydney Road or 2 stops south. Shimoli says she's counting down her dose, and Aura Lee is calling me a car, with morning hiss of nitrous round her mouth. I dream that the wheeze within me starts to clear. Old heavens, lift me softly to my room where Jesus Christ is rolling on the floor. Extends our faithless visas 1 more year, connects his phone and passes the balloon. And when I wake, it's a sun-flashed blinder, shakes my rattling cough up to a rage, steals away the doughy hours of drawling. My drab inhaler, one reminder that I would always be my current age. The air down here's too full of steroid spray, and there's little point in doing shots past 2. Truth is, Shimoli never left her home, and Aura Lee's already flown away. That northern wind will come to take me too. But Ling, she knows where we will go come morning.